Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover Sport that's just landed in stock with us. Now this one in particular, it's a 3-litre diesel, fantastic engine, the D300, that's diesel, 300 brake horsepower, and of course is the Dynamic SE. Now Dynamic meaning of course the styling of the car, so the more aggressive looking bumpers on the vehicle make the Range Rover Sport look absolutely stunning, and of course being an SE, lots of specification to talk about inside, but a few nice additional options on the car as well. So straight away, exterior black pack on the vehicle, so black lettering, black grille, particularly with the Eiger Grey metallic paintwork. This car is absolutely beautiful. 3D surround camera, that gives us that nice bird's eye view when we do come to park the car. And if you want to follow me around to the side, we've got some beautiful 22-inch diamond turned alloy wheels on this car. Again, continuation of the black pack, and that replaces the burnished copper accents that you typically do get on the Dynamic. Deployable door handles, signature to Range Rover of course, with nice things like approach and locking, walkaway locking with the car, having keyless entry and privacy glass, which looks to be fitted from the factory as well. Now coming around to the rear, of course standard on Range Rover Sport, we do have a fully powered electric tailgate which we can even open with a push of the key, and a really good size boot on Range Rover Sport as well. Now just pop that parcel shelf back and get an even better idea of how big that boot actually is. It is an approved vehicle, of course will come complete with a set of carb mats in the vehicle. Now we do also put the car through a very rigorous PEP process of 165 multi-point inspection, and that's so we can ensure there is a minimum of 12 months warranty. Of course you will have a bulk manufacturer's warranty remaining on this particular vehicle. But we've got air suspension, rear seat remote levers, and it is as simple as pressing that button to close the boot. Looking into the rear of the car, we've got a full ebony perforated leather. I mean, take a look at the seat, it speaks for itself. It doesn't even look like it's ever been sat in. Now we've got reclining rear seats as well with the Range Rover Sport. Meridian speakers which sound absolutely fantastic. Lots of leg room for the rear occupants. We've even got the likes of 4-zone climate control. Now, jumping round into the front, we do have lots of adjustment in those electric seats, memory functionality for not only the driver but for the front passenger as well. Electrically adjustable steering wheel, really handy because that does actually save with the memory as well. And a huge digital dashboard which reads 13,478 miles. Considered low mileage, particularly for the age of the car. Heated steering wheel, paddles at the back, auto lights and wipers. And it is a later model year of Range Rover Sport, of course, so you very see the huge infotainment system that this car is using. Very easy to use, the likes of dual zone climate control, it's a simple case of swiping it up and down. Navigation, heated seats we can do all on here. Phone connectivity, including a couple of my favourites in the fact that we do have the likes of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll see the boatload of apps that these cars come equipped with these days. Fantastic for off-road with all your different driving modes that you would expect to find in your Land Rover as well. But wireless device charging, keyless start stop, of course it is an automatic vehicle, lots of storage space right round the car and in between the two front seats. But looking up ahead, finally the party piece of this car is that sliding panoramic roof. So actually an extra over and above the standard in the SE, but what I find it does, it lets that light in, particularly with the darker interior, makes the car feel even bigger than it already is. So just jumping outside again, this is the D300 Dynamic SE Range Rover Sport, finished in the beautiful Eiger Grey. But if you do have any further questions on this car, we very much encourage you to inquire online and call us through this website. Thank you.